Welcome back to the channel. Now, opposition leader Mark Golden is telling the people not to become distracted. He's saying what the government is attempting to do is to distract the people from the matters at hand. He's saying that the PNP has even been contacted by members of the Labour Party and they have revealed information about the illicit six. I couldn't hear about what Mark Golden said about not being distracted and also what the PNP have uncovered about the illicit six. I couldn't hear what I go and look and listen.
Let me try deflect from the real issues of the day. Them under all the pressure. The local government elections mash up them vibes. Because Jamaica show them that we're serious. PNP is back. So all I can tell you, comrades, between now and election day, whenever that is, you know, so they're going to come with more and more foolishness. Because when they really have nothing else, they can't convince the Jamaican people that they should get another term. The Jamaican people tired of them. Tired of the corruption. The Prime Minister himself, his annual declarations cannot be certified and published in some reform by the Integrity Commission. 3 years.
3 years.
That alone disqualifies him from being Prime Minister for another term.
One Darrell Vaz knows the Labour right talk to it to them. As a matter of fact, Darrell, for sure, the Labour right talk to me. A Labour right called me this morning and said, I'm going to Brace River, I must big up Andrew Holness, Juliet Holness, Andrew Wheatley, Everett Warmington, Bobby Montague, and Fly Green. He said 6 names, we must interpret what we want from that. Hold on. And the information minister can't say nothing to me because the Labour right tell me so. Me don't break no law. So she said,
now, if this is indeed true, then this might be why. I mean, the issues of the people are not going to simply go away. And is it that the government now sees that with an election looming and drawing ever close, and the issues of the people still unresolved, will they then now need to make the only other option, which is the opposition, look less appealing, a better choice of words? But has that action backfired on them? Are members within the government, members within the Labour Party, also so frustrated that they must share information with the opposition? Remember, the government said people within the party of the opposition shared information with them. You know, if these are people who want to change from the opposition and become members of the no governing party. We have seen that happen time and time again. People from the PNP party become members of the JLP, members of the JLP become members of the PNP. So it's not far-fetched. And if information can go from the PNP to the JLP, it's not so far-fetched that information from the JLP can go to the PNP. No, both of these scenarios are unconfirmed. As a matter of fact, the opposition, I believe, say that is the way the government got the information. So we are looking to hear the response from the government to this. Even though one would say it would be very smart to not respond at all. Because if it is just at this point rumors, because they said that Integrity Commission still investigate and the government still investigate. But has those findings just not been made public yet? Because on a time feet be made public. And has that information now reached to the PNP? Well, we don't know. At this point of speculation, and the way it was presented, you know, it presented on a campaign trail. So of course the PNP could just be saying this. But the opposition has long said that the illicit six are not members of the opposition. So with only two party, remember it's a two-party system. You only have the governing party and the opposition. So if the opposition has said them amongst the government, the illicit six must be the government. But other than that, the government has also denied that the illicit six is a part of the government. So what the illicit six there? Is this all a distraction to distract you from the fact that the policies and plans are just not working? The strategies being implemented by the government have failed. And the people are fed up. because the people believe that they are not being added or factored into the discussion. The people in believe say the policies and the plans being crafted. Now consider them, because they look upon the people from a statistical standpoint, meaning they look upon the data. But data changes. The thing is, in a third world country, it get input or it get analyzed as fast. So while the people might have this mindset 4 months ago, the mindset has changed. So while a couple months ago, the government was leading the polls, it has changed. I know the opposition is leading the polls. The people are saying that the more the programs and policies that are factoring the people are a part of the discussion. The government said they're never rule with transparency. And we still hear the opposition expose things and tell the people them things so them never know. But what go on the government? So if the government are ruled through transparency, how come there are things taking place where the people are now aware of? It not sound very transparent. Now the people also say the blame game is being played. The people must say the opposition and the fact that the opposition has new leadership is still being blamed for things that take place long before the opposition had the leadership where it have now and was focused on the direction where it have now, which has rendered that talk useless. No, it is not about what that party did and that party did, because the party can talk something about the government and the government can say, well, them thing they want to talk about happened years ago, and this party president and prime minister was not the party president and prime minister during that time, and the opposition can say the same thing. This opposition leader was not the leader of the government during that time. So the government might need to find a new direction if they're going to try to spin that narrative. Talk to me in the comment section. Do you believe that at this point in time, the facts is just the facts, and the PNP are leading in the votes, in the polls rather, and that if election was called, they'd be leading in the votes also? Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you believe that the voting public will be the ones who decide. And with the society as a whole being frustrated and I ask for better. Tell me what you think if an election was called. Tell me what you think about the statements being made by the PNP. Tell me how you feel about the opposition leader's statement saying that the dual censorship, this whole thing, that this whole campaign that was spearheaded and started by the government, was only done as a distraction to distract the people from the real matters at hand. Tell me if you believe that, or if you believe that it is truly a major concern as an individual with dual citizenship, regardless of him being in the Commonwealth or not, should not hold the highest position in office, which would be the Prime Minister. Or tell me if you believe, say, that is neither here nor there to the matters at hand. Some people in some comments, on some posts, say they don't care for a alien on the country. Them just want to know, say, the person who run the country have the people's best interest in mind and willing to work with the people to create a better Jamaica, because that is the thing. The government that try to do it by themselves. You can't do it by yourself. People fight in a crime. We are talking about Ministry of Security and the issue of crime and violence and security for the country. We are talking about tourism. We are talking about any sector. You can't do it without the people. Law enforcement will tell you. Anytime crime is solved, it is a combination of law enforcement and the people made there. In any other major industry, in any other field, they will tell us, initiatives with hard work from the people. So you cannot build a better Jamaica without the people's assistance. So you have a factory in the people. The people have to be a part of the discussion. Because you're going to need the people's help. You don't just need them help for vote. That's the thing. Some people believe, say, the government don't need them to vote for them and then they don't need them again. And that is not the scenario, because to create a better country, a better Jamaica, the people also have that mindset. Think about it. The people also want those changes, want to see a better Jamaica. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel as a pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them. So check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. As I say, it open 24/7 and it never lack yet. All you have to do is be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Now a quick recap. The opposition is saying that all that the government is doing is to distract the people from the matters at hand. Tell me what you think. Now until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper. Also, I want to stay tuned until the reason again.